This is a song from the new album as well. It's called Sail on My Boat. Right, that Japanese. I'm gonna sail on my boat and keep it afloat forever. Nobody's gonna tell me how it won't stay together. I got a wedding ticket, won't you sail it? Nobody who's staying asleep knows what I'm saying. I'm gonna throw out a rope and keep it afloat, it's granted. Call Cressy freedom, independence or Tanzania. And I'm gonna wake and take us all to where we're all. Nobody's gonna talk me down by the stormy weather. Gotta sail my boat, yeah, I got to keep afloat. I get the need to keep on when I'm sailing. I'll stay the course, I'll make it a choice, I'll plan it. Nobody ever thought we would, and they take us for granted. And I'll tie the ropes that keep us afloat and sailing. Nobody who's staying asleep knows what I'm saying. I'm gonna lift up my voice and sing you a song romantic. Called Cressy freedom, independence or Tanzania. Gotta sail my boat, yeah, I got to keep afloat. I get the need to keep on when I'm sailing. Hello, sailor. Hold on to love and take it to where you never. Nobody's gonna tell me how it won't stay together. I got a freedom ticket, let's go sailing. Nobody who's staying asleep knows what I'm saying. Gotta sail my boat, yeah, I got to keep afloat. And I get the need to keep on when I'm sailing. Gotta sail my boat, yeah, I got to keep afloat. I get the need to keep on when I'm sailing.